Okay guys, so this one is part 2. So we're gonna do the without replacement. So we already done with the with replacement, the probability with the with replacement. Now we're gonna do without replacement. So without replacement, as you know, I already explained that the value or the sample will reduce. So if you take 1, it will reduce by 1. Okay, so for an example, look at this question. In a sample of 20 students, 12 of them are male. Okay, so the balance is what? 8 are female. If 2 students are selected without replacement, find the probability. So in your part A, both are female. So now before we go into the part A, as usual, we have to do a small working. Okay, now previously with replacement, we used to change, for an example, if it is a male, what we do, we take 12 divided by 20, then we change it to decimal, correct? Now here you don't change it to decimal because it will reduce by 1. Okay, so just leave it as fraction. Then for female, it's going to be 8 over 20. So now what gonna happen here is, for female, we're gonna take this. Okay, so both are female. So remember that the keyword is 2 students. Okay, you must pick 2 students. So that's a important required here. Okay, so 8 over 20. So you already pick one student. That means you already pick one student. Then again you want to pick another student, so it will reduce to 7, and in total also it will reduce to what? 19. So 8 over 20 times 7 over 19, so will be how much? So this is how you do the without replacement. So how much you get? So you will get 0.1474. Okay, B. Either are female. Either are female means one can be female, another one can be male. So over here what's going to happen is, we start with the female first. We take the female, then another one becomes the male. Male we have 12, but remember you already pick one female. Okay, remember we already pick. Okay, we already pick one female. Okay, so in total it reduced by what? 19. Okay, so let's think here. So 8 over 12, 20 times 12 over 19 plus, now 12 over 20 male, we start with the male, times 8 over 19, because same thing. Now we already pick what? We already pick one male, so in total he has to reduce by what? 19. Okay, it has to be reduced by 19. So what happens here is, basically you start with female, then male, then male, female. So you find the maximum probability. It is the same as the with replacement, it's just that it will reduce by 1 when you pick. Okay, so that will give you the answer. Check, that will give you 0.5053. Neither is female, that means both are male. So both are male, we're going to do the same thing here. That means 12 over 20 times 11 over 19. So that will give you the answer of 0.3474, because we already picked the male and then the male reduced by 1 and in total also reduced by 1. This is how you do without replacement. Okay, so this is how you do. Okay, let's try question 8 now. Look at that. In a sample of 15 15 members, 10 of these are male. Okay, so balance 5 are female. If 3 members are selected, now you have to select 3. Okay, to form the probability, find the probability without replacement. Okay, just now we did 2, now we need to do 3. Now, as usual, small working here. For male, 10 over 15. For female is 5 over 15. Now, A, look at that, all 3 are male. So you start with 10 over 15 times, it reduced by 1, 9 over 14 times what? 8 over 13. So that will give you 0.2638. Check. It's actually 2637. Okay, now B, if you look at it, okay, now it's 2 male only, there's only 2 male. Okay, 2 male, so you start with 10 over 15 times 9 over 14, then it goes to what? Female, but in total it has to be reduced, so 5 over 13. Okay, plus, okay, now it's what happens here is actually male, male, female. Now you have to continue like what we did in with replacement, same thing. 10 over 15 times 5 over 14 times 9 over 13. Okay, continue, plus, I just continue here. Okay, plus, same thing. Now 5 over 15, okay, times 10 over 14 times 9 over 13. So what happens here is actually male, male, female, male, female, male, female, male, male. So you must have 2 males in each of the outcomes. So this is the maximum that you can go for. So how much will be? So this is how you get the answer. Okay, this is how you get the answer. So let's check the answer. So if you look at it, it's 0.4945. Okay, 0.4945. So this is how you get the answer. C. Only male, only one male only. So they already said one male only. Okay. So what happens here is same thing. 10 over 15 times 5 over 14 times 4 over 13. So what happens here is actually male, female, female. Oops. Plus, okay, 5 over 15 times 10 over 14 times 4 over 13. Okay, plus same thing, 5 over 15 times 4 over 14 times 10 over 13. So what happens here is actually female, male, female, 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 male. Okay, so that will give you the answer. Check. Zero point 2198. So this is what you should get. And the last one, neither is male. That means all is what? Female. Okay, all is female. So what's happening here? You just take all female. 5 over 15 times 4 over 14 times 3 over 13. So that should give you the answer. Check. So 0.021 check. 0.022. If you round it up to 0.2, yeah, 0.22 should be fine. Okay, so this is how you do without replacement. Okay, so I hope you guys can try the other questions for yourself. Yep.